Hey, what's up traders? Let me tell you something. You are not succeeding and you are not improving yourself and not developing anywhere because you are not journaling daily, weekly. You're not doing reviews. You don't write down your mistakes. When you're watching some videos, still searching holy grail strategies, you're not taking the notes. You don't know your statistics and you just shooting randomly. And I decided to change this. I will force you to do it. And that's why I have created this tool. So now watch what I got for you. And if you are lazy or you just was not organized, I guarantee you that this will change you completely as a trader and as a person. You're not taking any trading notes when you're watching some videos. This is not what will not be possible in my coaching program. So every coaching program video, you will open this and there you got this thing where you will be writing and posting your screenshots, right? Every time when I post a new video, you will basically go here, you will duplicate, you will write the topic of the video, and then you will start to write notes inside it. You will have organized all notes from all videos in here. Then every time when you will see something interesting, you will click this button and you will basically write new note. For example, Fibo, whatever. Then you write your comment and then again you can put any screenshot, right? Then all of these notes will be placed in this trading notes, right? So here you can see this one which I have made, and here are many of my notes which I'm doing recently, right? This is how you will be keeping all the things which comes to your mind in the notes, right? Then again for the Mars EA, which you will get from me also, you will be adding everything into one place, right? So yeah, this is the EA, cost $333 and it's making great results. Let me just show you quickly. You can see in the past 2 years, this year 150%, previous year 250%, so basically 700% in the past 2 years, right? Then go back in here, and this is for the studying. Then once you start to developing as a trader, you need to write down your trading model. Most of you didn't write down the strategy. So here, you will do it in here. You will write down your strategy in here. Then every trade you take, you will simply again open this new window. You will fill up all these things, what CLS range you're gonna trade, what setup type it is. Basically everything. I'm not gonna waste your time with this right now. And then all this what you write down in here in this trade will go to your trading journal. In this trading journal you will see full log of the all trades, right? Here some examples, or you will see every month specifically, right? But what is this for? For nothing if you don't have real statistics and the data which are coming from that. So now look at this. All this trading journal is connected to the statistics and you can measure everything what you do, right? So basically you can see how every month was working, what is your winning ratio, which pairs, which days works best for you, which sessions, right? Which pairs, which entry time frame, which trading setup, which target. So based on this, you will be improving yourself. You will see from this data that something is not working for you, something you need to change, something you need to improve, right? But I will basically give you the complete strategy and you will be writing this down every day. Now I'm getting into this, which is a new daily journal. This is most important. Every morning you will click this thing. Right here you can choose daily log, or if you're doing weekly review or the outlook. Based on that, this template will change. Now I'm going to click daily log, right? You see template is now changing and you will see everything what you need to do. I wrote it here for you, right? So basically daily log could be euro, right? You can choose pair, euro, and then you writing things. Here you will write what you think is going to happen, right? So let's say euro is on this level, I'm expecting this to happen and go there, for example. And also you will put the screenshot, right? This is just an example. Then market outlook, you will also write down what's happening on the higher time frames, right? So let's say daily bullish, right? 1 hour bearish or consolidating, right? Whatever, doesn't matter. This is just for the example, right? Economic calendar, if there is any news today, you will write it in here, because when you're writing it, you know it, right? So that's force you to check the calendar every day. Here, you will post the setup of the day every day, right? So basically every day after you will be doing your evening journal, you will post your setup. So for example, if there was some setup and you didn't take it, or you take it, doesn't matter. You will post setup of the day in here, the setup which was the best one, even if you didn't take it, because by doing this, you will be training your eyes and you will be filtering the trades you want to take, and you're not taking them yet, but you will be, right? Then your thoughts, you will write down, this happened, right? And you will be not judging your things if it works what you did or not, but you will basically write down this happened, right? So let's say Asia low taken, then London this, and New York that from this level, right? Or this fib, etc., right? So we now use this button, and again this goes to the daily journal, right? So there will be all these journals every day which you will be writing in here, right? Same thing you will be doing for weekly outlook. So we open this tab, and here we will be writing our weekly outlooks. It's a plan for the week. So again, I'm clicking here and it's changing my template into the what I need to get in here. So as you can see here, I will be writing down where I'm planning to trade. I will simply write down the news, and based on that I will decide which days I'm going to trade. So it's very important to plan your trading week in this way. Also, I need to write my thoughts, which I'm expecting, if it's going to be expansion candle or a retracement candle or whatever. And also we need to put our own analysis. So that's going to be into our weekly outlooks, which we all will be storing in this particular tab. In here is the weekly reviews, which is a slightly different thing. And again, everything will be stored in one place. Once we click here and we want to put a new one, again, we click to the weekly review, and you can see the template is changing right now. We can add all the informations. So what we will be doing in here, we can link our original idea. We will write down our outcome, what happened if it did play it, right? When was the high or the low of the week? This is quite important to write down, because you will simply start to see some things repeating. What market profile played, if it was a expansion or the consolidation, right? When did the explosive moves happen, right? So we need to write down what days and after which news or what was happening. So you will be simply stalking the markets to see the repeated things, and you will see that they are really repeating. Our performance, how we did, right? And the reflections of the emotions, what we did well and where we can improve, right? So this is the most things which I think, and I guarantee you, if you start to doing this journaling after getting my strategy, which is well defined into the latest detail, and then you will be journaling every day, every week, weekly review, you will writing down your mistakes and notes, there is no way that after the few months you will start to see things. Then you will start to see things, and then you will start to execute, and then you will be improving based on your statistics. And it's, of course, nothing is easy, and nothing takes just a short time. But if you repeat this for the few months, next summer you will be profitable and fund a trader.